All right, this is the demo of TrafficxPro software, and I have just logged. Click the button Add Blog, use the blog name, use the blog URL. The blog URL is the URL where WordPress is set up. Then WordPress username, add the username and password, and tag is optional, so create process. So the blog is added successfully. Now let's create a campaign. Great. Now adding a new campaign. Let's name it demo, description demo video, and hit create. Now we're going to add content to this demo campaign. Now we can find viral contents from all these different platforms. For this example, let's use YouTube and name a job. Add a job description, add a job tag. A tag is optional, and we want to add keywords. Maximum 10 keywords can be used. And let's use Samsung A50 and hit create job button. Great, it's loading. The system is working. Awesome. We can see all these YouTube videos with all those views, likes, dislikes, comments, and we can select according to our choice. So let's choose the second video and then hit next. Now we can post or publish this content to our blog, to Facebook, to Twitter, and to Pinterest directly. Let's post it in our blog. Great. So you can see the blog name category, the title. You can edit the title, you can edit the content. The content is basically the description of YouTube video, and you can choose where to embed the video. Is it below or above? And post as publish or private. Now we're changing the title a bit. Samsung awesome reviews. All right, whatever it is. And you can edit the content, edit the description, or you can add content. So just click the get content. The get content, this is a magical thing. Search using a keyword. Let's say review of Samsung smartphones. Great. And we see so many reviews with so many views, likes, dislikes, comments. Let's choose the third one and hit select and go to. Great. So this is the closed caption of the whole video, and this is usually 95 to 100% unique, which is awesome, isn't it? Great. So this is the best phone, and we just added a text, and we want to choose we want to add the video below the text or above the text. Now we want the video to be published below the text and post as published. Now we are going to publish this post as our blog post. Post video. Oh, by the way, we're going to add affiliate links, affiliate offers. So for that we can choose Amazon and eBay both. So, but we have to add one by one. Say, oh, by the way, before we go to settings, and we have to add our affiliate credentials for Amazon and eBay. Now select Amazon and add a keyword. Let's say Samsung A50 and search. Oh, by the way, this is a spelling mistake, so getting some wrong results. Let's correct the spelling. Great. Now search again. Awesome. Now we're getting the correct results. Select 1, 2, 3, multiple numbers, as many as you want, and then you can load more, or even if you want to add eBay products, you can select eBay and search. Now you can select which one to promote and simply close. Once you closed, they're automatically posted with this post. The products are automatically added with the post. Now you can publish it. Once we see these notification success, this new post has been published into our blog. So go to the campaigns and you will see the status of the post. And if you go to your WordPress site in dashboard, post section, refresh, and you will find your post published. Now click the view button and boom, your brand new viral post is published with monetization using Amazon and eBay. And they contain your affiliate tags. So anyone purchase from these links, you will get commissions.